Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make radish chutney. This is such a easy and quick chutney recipe for idli and dosa. Usually we use radish for making sambar. Today we are going to make radish into chutney, which also tastes perfectly delicious. Kids consume it without any fuss too. Here are some of the benefits of radish. It starts with enhancing the immune system, and also it is rich in folate, potassium, vitamin C and vitamin B6. Let's jump into the making. In a hot pan, I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, a generous pinch of Asafoetida. Usually LG Asafoetida have maida in it, so add it more. Add 3 to 4 red chillies according to your taste. Next add few curry leaves and fry everything for about 2 minutes. Once everything is fried well, add 5 pieces of garlic and then 10 to 15 small onions, that is shallots. Fry everything until slightly browned. Add salt to cook the onions faster. Again fry everything for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have sliced 6 to 8 small red radishes. You can also use a bigger white radish too. Fry everything together for 3 to 4 minutes, then add 1 big tomato. The radish should be cooked well in the tomato juice. There is no need to add any water. I am adding a small piece of tamarind. Cook everything for 2 minutes. The radish is now cooked completely. Next, I am going to add a handful of coriander leaves. It gives a nice flavor to this chutney. Switch off the flame and mix well. Let everything cool for some time. Add it into a blender after it is completely cooled. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, which is optional. Grind everything to a fine paste. Add water and salt needed while grinding. In oil, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, chana dal and curry leaves. Once mustard starts to splatter, remove it from heat. That makes our tadka. Here is our ground chutney. Add the prepared tadka. This is such a easy and unique recipe with the goodness of radish. I served it with idli. Comment below if you want the perfect idli recipe. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. Check description for my other chutney recipes. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. Share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Don't forget to click the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.